Hey guys, I just wanted to take a minute today and make this video about the best set of batteries that I've ever had for my truck. And I've had many different kinds over the last 22, 23 years. These are Northern Battery. I don't know if they're made by Johnson Control or East Penn. I believe they're made by East Penn, but don't quote me on that. I can't find on here where it says anywhere, and I can't seem to find it online. But if memory serves me right, they're made by East Penn. These are a Group 31 battery, and they just came out of my orange Freightliner here. I just changed the batteries in that, and the reason I like these batteries so much is they lasted 6 years. That is not typical for me. You may get different lifespans on your batteries, but usually a set of batteries lasts me 2.5, 3 years at the most. I put these things in January of 2017. And I parked the truck last fall. The truck sat for the winter, and these batteries froze solid like a brick. You can probably see that how the ends are bulging right there. These things are frozen solid. I can't even charge them or nothing. When I parked the truck, they were still good, so who knows, they may have lasted even longer. But the truck needed a whole bunch of work. I didn't need it, so I parked it for the winter. And I kind of figured this would happen, they would freeze, but I didn't care because I'm like, 6 years, they're going to have to be replaced anyway. So these are my favorites, man. I just bought another set of them from the place I go. They're pretty popular in the upper Midwest. There's it's like a Northern Battery type chain, and they obviously this is just their sticker. There's only a few battery manufacturers in the country, East Penn and Johnson Control, and then some tiny little other ones here. But these had a nice heavy duty case on them. I've tried Interstate, I've tried Exides, I've tried the OTR brand from Fleet Pride. Those have just sucked for me. The cases are so thin and flimsy. I've had so many short out internally. They're just, I don't know, poorly built to spec. But these have been wonderful. These Northern batteries. These are, let's look at the sticker here. Cold cranking amps 940, or no, cold cranking amps 730, cranking amps 940, and reserve capacity 190. Served me very, very well. I can't think of a time even in that time period where I even had to charge them or jump the truck if I left something on. So, very happy with these. Highly recommend them if you can find them. And if you have a better battery or ones that have lasted even longer, let me know in the comments below. Always interested in finding out new and better things.